Agent Action, Brett Trimboli here for My House Ready Property Preparation Services. How to improve your property, whether it's for selling the property or renting it out or just enjoying your space. And concrete cleaning today is what we're talking about. It's a huge plus. A lot of the work we do is just simply on the exterior of the property, particularly if you're going to sell it or rent it. But if you're going to enjoy the space, you didn't even notice over time that the driveways or the concrete paths, they've gone green or brown, and it's just years of organic matter. So what happens is we get them cleaned for you. There are certain ways that make that happen, and you literally just it's better than cleaning an old picture. It's just absolutely amazing. It changes it back to very, very fresh appearance and very appealing to tenants and sellers. 04111 53364 if you want to talk to me about property preparation and concrete cleaning.